We are a full-service Texas tree care company specializing in tree trimming, tree planting, large and difficult tree removals, and ornamental pruning. The company was established in Kingwood, Texas in 1998. Neil, the company owner, is a highly qualified tree climber with over 25 years of residential, commercial, and municipal tree service experience. Since starting his business in Kingwood, Texas, the company focuses mainly on residential tree work in the livable forest, but also works with many area churches and community associations. Customers can feel safe and comfortable knowing that Neil brings a vast wealth of experience to every new job. Neil's knowledge of trees, tree problems, and pruning aesthetics is based on over 3 decades of work in the tree service industry. We are committed to providing customers with professional tree care. Contact us today for a free estimate.